Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Jamaica Fire Brigade's response time. Now, as you know, a lot of buildings are going up around Jamaica and they're getting taller. So the Fire Brigade has been going through a process of upgrading. They have gotten in a lot more fire trucks, and they're bringing in fire trucks that have ladders on them, extended reach ladders, so they can reach these high-rise buildings. So because they've gotten in these additional trucks, they can respond quicker to fires as the trucks are deployed around the island, and so their response times will increase. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the response time of the fire brigade. Also, new fire stations are being built all over the country to help with the response time. Commissioner of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Stuart Beckford, says there has been a noticeable reduction in the number of complaints from citizens regarding the brigade's response time. He noted that the acquisition of new fire units has increased the Jamaica Fire Brigade's capacity and response to emergencies. We procured and received 30 brand new fire trucks in 2021, and those would have served us well over the last 2 years. So we would have seen a significant reduction in the complaints that we would have been receiving in that regard, said Commissioner Beckford. In highlighting factors that often impact the response time of the JFB, Commissioner Beckford said that the motorists sometimes refuse to give way to fire trucks. The reality is that we operate in an environment where we still have indiscipline on the roads. Our fire trucks are huge. They are not cars that can bob and weave their way through traffic in our town centers, he pointed out. In addition, he said that most fire stations are not located near housing developments, as the original concept was to protect commercial interests. Hanover is a good example. We have one fire station that is located in the capital, Lucy, but there are other communities that are some distance away and have significant infrastructure development taking place over time, he pointed out. What we're seeking to do is to expand our fire stations into areas where there are none now, Commissioner Beckford said. He noted further that the Jamaica Fire Brigade is working to adapt to the changing risk profile of various parishes across the island. We are well on our way to doing that through the recruitment of new firefighters, the purchase of additional fire units, and of course, most critically, the expansion of our fire stations, the Commissioner said, noting that a new station will soon be built in Ulster Spring, Trelawney. He noted that the additional fire stations will improve the Jamaica Fire Brigade's response time, particularly in rural areas. The JFB Commissioner said that the standard response time within the corporate area is 10 minutes. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know, leave your comments in the section below, let us know what you think about these changes.